The DL-Coil is available in 5 adjustable magnet strengths to provide ideal wearing comfort. Consult your clinician for guidance on the proper magnet strength for you. MED-EL strongly recommends that you don't change the magnet yourself. To adjust or replace the magnet, open the DL-Coil by lifting the cover from the front using your fingernail. Use a ballpoint pen to lock the coil in the plus position to strengthen or minus position to soften the attraction of the magnet. If further adjustment to the strength is desired, the magnet can be replaced. To replace the magnet, your clinician should align the magnet to the center position, tilt the magnet out of the DL-Coil, and insert the desired magnet with the tab aligned to the center position. Then lock the magnet into either the plus or minus position. Close the coil by pressing the cover and the base together.